Hey guys, Nick here. As a professional CDL driver, before you start any trip in the winter months, you should always make sure that your windows, mirrors, and headlights, taillights, and DOT reflective tape and all of your stickers are clean before you begin your trip for the day. I always start by cleaning my windows and mirrors first, just to make sure they're clean and we don't scratch the glass with dirty cloth. Once that's done, I do a quick thing over all the lights. All the stickers. I usually just run my cloth down my DOT reflective tape if I don't have time for a truck wash. Do that all the way down the vehicle. Hit my lights. As you're cleaning all of your decals, it's a great time to check the dates to make sure that your inspections are current and up to date. I incorporate this into my pre-trip process at the start of every day. It helps me check the decals, the federal inspections, and make sure everything is current and up to date. And when you go through a DOT stop, they look and they see that your truck's dirty, it's messy, there's salt, sand, but all of your decals and lights and reflectors are clean, clear, and they know that as a driver, you did your job that day. And more than likely, they're going to wave you through.